Then we are moving for the next attack. What is the next attack which we are going for this module? In the full box, the second attack type is called projected gradient descent. It is called PGD. This is called iterative attack. What is iterative attack? Iteration 1, iteration 2, iteration 3. In such a way, we gradually modifies the input. So the image which we have, right? The first attack, what we did, we directly find some place and then we change the gradient and then we have a attack. But here it has been changed. It's not like that. It's gradually sense, like slowly we are changing the image module and changing that by using the maybe in the direction of the loss gradient. So by doing that, there's certain limit. In that limit, the model tends to change. Like it will not be able to identify that maybe it's a panda or not. But for a human eyes, it looks like a panda. But how this works at certain point of time, it shows like some other things, maybe like a camel or something else. In such a way, it looks for the AI model. Okay, so what I will say some relevant example to make you to understand here. So that is a metro station. That metro station, that is the employee. In the train, they have a employee's compartment as a passenger. So that is an ID card represented by the employee. What he did is he just show the card to the, that is a camera. It is connected to the AI model. Okay, so in that, whatever he represents, it checks and see whether the person is authorized person or not. What happens when that is a hacker? He tries to get inside the compartment of the driver, the train driver. Okay, so what he want to do, he just collected the card and the photo ID of that driver. He literally wants to change them. Okay, he cannot enter into the train station. They will be able to identify the other people. Those who are working, they will be able to identify him. What he is trying to do, he picked the driver's photo and he made that batch. Slowly he changed the gradients inside the photo. But if you see it directly, you will not be seeing. Like slowly he's changing. Like one time he just makes some changes and show it to the AI model. It predicts or not. Okay, it predicted. Okay, then again. Slowly, one by one. That's gradually he modifies the input until the AI model does not recognize him. Like maybe that he will be able to fool that AI model. For the real people, those who see the cards, it's an actual person. It's a driver. It's a normal someone from outside. But for the AI model, it seems like he's the driver for them. So that's how they change that the pixel in such a way. Like gradually they just change it. Okay. So in that case, we are going to see this how this attack. Previously it takes only one time. This time it makes multiple steps. Okay. For each step, iteration means like one by one. Okay, but that also has some limits. Okay, so actually what it does, it modifies one area, not the every area. It's like there is one area it picks, and then if it checks whether this area will be able to confuse the AI model, or if you want to change another one. In such a way, it check until the limit. It has some limit boundary line. Okay, so I have explained this attack. Now we see the practical for this. Okay, here, see, this is the PGD attack. Like, so we have programmed for each and every attack. So we can do that all the attacks in a one single tool. But for a demo purpose, we have used different programs. Okay, we have created different programs. We utilize the full box. We have already installed. For installation purpose, we have published another video in our channel. If you want, I can put it there. You can see that how we have installed. Installation part, you can use that video. So mostly that won't available in the YouTube. So we have released that one. Okay, the next one is here we have see the first one, like we have used the tool full box as FB. Then we use the model ResNet 8, the previous model which we have used, ResNet, which we have used, the same model which we have used here. That is a pre-trained model. You can use whatever model you want to test that one. Okay. Then we use the full box model wrapper. That's we use the PyTorch framework. Then we use the transformers. Then we use the attack. So what attack we are going to use? Just go for the attack. Okay, so lim FGFPDF FPGD attack. So earlier what we seen here, we see FGSM attack. Here we use same full box attack, then lin FGPGD attacks. Okay, let's see. Let's run this one. That's the only change you have to do to run the different attacks. So now we are running this attack. Let's see how this works. And the same image, the image we didn't change anything. We have used the same image which we have already used, the signal image. Okay, we got the output. Very immediately we got the output. So if you have the GPU or CPU, it will be good actually. It actually uses what it consumes. Like we are used in our laptop itself, it works fine. Certain cases, if you use a huge bigger models, you need the GPU for that. Okay, with the normal laptops, you will not be able to run. See here, the original image which we have provided is the left one. The adversarial attack is the right one. Okay, so for a human eye, there are no changes. It looks like the same. Okay, we don't see any changes. But for a model, it has been failed. Actually, it identified as something different. If you see that the left one, the output of the command prompt, it says that original class 920. The adversarial class 505. They use the transformers for this. So in that case, if you see, there's a huge difference. The attack success rate, it says that it's a true. Attack success means the attack happened. The model is able to predict that as something different. Okay, so this is how it works. In the attack methods are different here. Okay, if you see something, any model, you have to try each and every method. The first one, FGSM. This one is this one we use PGD attack. Okay, projected gradient descent. So anybody having any doubts here? Otherwise, we will move for the next attack. We'll move for the third one. As like I said, I have mentioned here how we have attacked. What is the output which we get it over here.